Grabe, ang dami kong tinutupi. Yum! Hi! Po.
Okay.
Wait. No, why mo lang, baby? Where's your dede? Where is your dede? Ah.
Ready, Spidey? Up we go! All right, now. See if it does it.
Hold on. Yeah! Hooray! We did it! Yay!
Papakig na lang yun.
Yumi! Yumi! Ang pretty, pretty! Hala, asan yung dede mo? Yumi! Dede.
Nice job. You know, her neck hell was as heavy as yours.
Nakita mo yung dede ni Yumi?
You might be surprised. Webs up, Spidey alert. A number of people have gotten trapped downtown. Trapped? Me too.
Hindi naugasan. Wait lang po.
Come on, this way.
My traps! I can't get them out! Don't worry!
It's Spidey in the thing.
Look like... Peaches, I wonder if there's a way to unlock them. Don't say
These bars are strong. I can't bend them apart.
How exactly did you get trapped in there anyway?
What's the big
I was throwing out some trash in that trash can over there when the same thing happened to me. That doesn't look like
I just got a free pizza from a delivery. That pizza box was weird. Anybody want a slice? Busy.
Akala ko kayo ni Papayo. Kay Titi na pala. La 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 baby. Baka mabasagin, magpunta ka doon sa baba. Nahuli ka.
I was really hungry for a slice of pizza.
Mommy!
Bakit? ligo ka na.
This tank gets more
Binili
down
ko
things
sa...
around the city, turning them into traps. You better watch out. Your trap could
Ako ay may lubo. Binili ko ang piso, ang piso.
seriously? A trap in a lamppost? I'll get you out of there. Hey, wait! Watch out!
Tio, ligo ka na.
Mami, ayaw ko magsampa. Kailangan ko magpaligo.
Binili
Balik mo nga ito doon naksama na
Ikaw
gano'n.
na lang po magpaligo sa akin.
Bigay mo kay Mami
Mami,
lang.
ayaw ko po magpaligo ah. Ayaw ko magsampa ah. Kasi ikaw na lang po magpaligo sa
pumutok
akin.
sa langit.
Bisa mo na.
Ayaw magsampo eh.
Okay ba yun? Bisa mo.
Miha.
Ako ay may piso. Binili ng lubo. Pumuto ah.
Hala, si Mama di na marunong kumanta.
Pumutok na.
Camila!
Ano?
Anak, halika na. Ligo ka na.
Mami, kung ako magpaligo akin sa ako, pati kung magpaligo sa akin, parang hindi ako magsampo. Ayaw magsampo, mami. Magpaligo sa akin, ayaw